Here's a paradox that neuroscience has finally explained. The people who think the most are the most exhausted, not because they work harder with their bodies, but because their brain never stops, even when they do nothing. Draw a person sitting on a couch doing nothing, but inside, the brain gears spinning at full speed. This is called overthinking. It's not a personality flaw, it's a biological mechanism. Here's what's actually happening inside your skull. When you stop focusing, your brain activates the default mode network. This network switches on the moment you stop working. It replays the past, simulates the future, worries. Draw arrows going in circles inside the DMN. In overthinkers' brains, this network is hyperactive. It runs at full power, even during rest. Your brain consumes more energy doing nothing than most people's brains do during work. Your brain is 2% of your body, but it consumes 20% of your energy. When the DMN is hyperactive, glucose consumption spikes. The brain sends a fatigue signal to the body. When you feel mentally exhausted without having done anything physical, this is why overthinkers are tired by 10 a.m. Their brain burned the fuel before the day even started. Overthinking creates a loop between two brain regions. The amygdala spots a threat, real or imaginary. It fires a signal to the prefrontal cortex. The rational brain tries to solve it, but the amygdala fires again before a solution is found. The loop accelerates, thoughts multiply, decision-making collapses, clarity disappears. The brain stays locked, consuming energy, reaching no conclusion. Your brain is not broken. It's doing exactly what it was designed to do: detect threats and solve problems. The problem is modern life gives it thousands of inputs per day. Notifications, decisions, constant uncertainty. Mental fatigue has no visible signal. You don't sweat. You don't feel it coming. You just slowly lose the ability to think clearly. The fix is simple. Give the DMN an off switch. Specific focus, reading, exercise, one single task forces the brain out of default mode. The loop breaks, clarity returns. Next week, why your brain deletes memories while you sleep. Subscribe. Your brain will thank you.